Okay, because I have some paint left over, this is without silicone in the background, so I'm gonna just layer that on. Wash out my brush, make sure there's no silicone in there, and put that on. I thought I really liked the feathering into the background, so I'm gonna give that another try to see if I can make that happen even more than I did before. There we go. Because I still have some of this paint, so I'm going to put it on thin, then thick, and going back to thin. Okay. Let's try a thin straw. I'm going to leave it just as that. Just a nice small narrow bit of cells, and then I'm going to leave the rest. Of course you can always over torch it, but I think this gives us you know, sort of both worlds, a little bit of nice smoothness, and then down the middle you see this beautiful row of cells. I'll give it a go to get you in really close. There it is. I think I kind of like that. It's small, nice, subtle, and all I have to do is finish off the sides and it's ready. So, giving it a little color on the side. But as you can see, the difference with having paint as a background color with or without the silicone, that's a big difference. So if you're having trouble with the pitting in your paint in the background color, that's usually what the problem is, that there's too much, or that there's just silicone in the background color. You don't want it. You want it nice and smooth. Otherwise you'll have these little holes in it and you'll see right through to the canvas, and you don't want that. That makes it not look that very nice. Now I have two little ones here, as you can see, and what I usually do with that is just add a drop. I'm not sure if I can get a really small drop out of this. Yes, I can. So we're going to just add that to where I see the canvas popping. And it'll just add to the whole overall feel of it. See, because they're up here, down here, I'm just going to add a little bit. One drop of paint. That makes it look really nice. Let me get you back in focus. There it is. Now that's just a cute little painting, right? Okay guys, now I'm gonna really stop for today. I'm gonna put lids on all my paints. I've still got a lot of paint left over, but I'm not gonna pour any more today. What I really wanted to do was paper marbling, because a couple of people emailed me about the paper marbling, and I'll just have to keep that for next week. So I'm going to clean everything up. I might do some test runs this week, maybe even video it, who knows. So thanks all for watching, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.